Okay, the cooler is finally in. Took 3 people. Well, not 3 people, 3 arms.
3 arms.
To get it done properly. But that's how it's supposed to look. We decided to have the FX be on top of the ring.
Oh, by the way, even though they don't say it, you're going to want to make sure your cable actually goes into the case.
Yes, from the fan.
Yeah, actually, there's a lot of things that are missing in this manual that are a little annoying that would require some common sense. May not, actually, let me rephrase that, wouldn't be common sense unless you think about it a lot, and that's really annoying because it really requires a lot of thought to do this when it shouldn't be that much thought.
I mean, if you think about it, the instructions tell you what to do, and they're leaving a lot
out.
Yeah,
totally out.
And you will
like here,
be a victim of errors of omission more often than not.
Yes,
as we were.
And this one is like, I don't know why they did this. They gave a 3-pin fan for the actual connection to the motherboard.
Can I get that for you? Yeah, it can be a real challenge.
Especially when your fingers are like... Sausages. How do I do that? Alright, sometimes giving up is the better part of valor. Okay. Miss Thin Hands here. CPU 1, please.
CPU fan or CPU optional?
CPU fan.
Oh, okay, well...
Oh wait, I'm actually not recording well. Okay. Do you have fat hands?
No.
Call the Fat Hand Institute.
I have poor eyesight, which, you know. Do we have that flashlight we had here the other night?
Yeah, up there. On the wall behind you. Do you have fat hands? Are you blind as a friggin' bat?
Yeah.
Are you Jewish? That gets edited.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Isn't it sad when a straight man can't find the hole to put it in? That's all state stand.
Ta-da! There we go. That's in.
No. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, it is.
Okay. And now we attach this USB header for additional power.
To your ass.
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that. The fingers you have used to attach this USB header are too fat. I can attach the header, but I can't undo this wrap. I'm joking. I hate these fucking things, these new things, where
it's just plastic. They don't even include the piece of metal inside to the twist ties.
Yeah, they're like wimpy twist ties. They should be called wimp ties. Well, this one's got the plastic, but not actually at the end. Wow. And I don't know which way I'm going. Right. You know what? Hold on. Okay. Time to get medieval. When all else fails, fuck 'em. Sorry. Yes, now working with a scissor near water-cooled, or near liquid cooling is not probably one of the brightest things I've ever done, but to get the job done. Bob the Builder. You notice the grunt was completely unnecessary. I just did it for effect. Okay, let's see what we're doing down here. Yes, let's pick some nice USB header. Is that a USB header over there? That black one, does it say USB?
I can't see. Must be my Terrible.
No, okay, that's probably FireWire. Never put your USB in your FireWire, but these over here say USB. So, and remember the USB is keyed so that it always, you can't screw it up too much. But unfortunately, the key for the USB is also the key for the FireWire. That was really stupid, but that's what the industry came up with.
Luckily, FireWire is being replaced by USB 3.0.
And Thunderbolt.
Yeah,
right?
that's the other one.
The other one from
Apple.
And Intel, I think.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna take a little break, and then sort of drive things home.
Driving your girlfriend home. Okay.
All right.
What's that?
Okay, now we are doing our thing here. We have officially closed up the case, but we're leaving it open so that we can see whether or not this opens up.
Wait a second.
Lights up, excuse me.
Hold on. You turned it on?
No, I did not turn it on.
Turn on the power supply?
Turn it on now.
Ah, you see the green light?
It is. Power is being
Scared
supplied.
me. Okay, let's see if this works. Ready?
Hold on.
Ready, steady, go.
Please move your left arm as soon as you're done turning it on. Go.
Okay, can you... What was this? What is this romance we're having?
Okay, so it works.
Oh, but the fan isn't.
I'm feeling you.
No, the front fan. Okay, here.
Yep. Now let's see what the Vegas fan looks like.
Why don't you shut the light for that? Uh-oh. Boot device. Oh, it's missing a boot device. That's wonderful. We can live with that.
Fair enough.
Ah.
All right. So we're just gonna...
Hey, wait. Why did that suddenly snap on like that? That's cool. Let's see. Vegas time. Oop, it's Vegasing. Oh, my favorite. Purple.
Okay.
Vegas.
Can you rotate it a little bit?
Actually, you can rotate a lot. Actually, you're not going to get a good view.
Actually, this is fine. Go ahead, rotate it. Do some
changes.
Manipulate controls. Red.
Purple.
Oh, that's cool.
Bum bum vita.
There you go.
Off.
On.
Red. Purple. Puppy. Blue. Red.
Red. Purple.
Purple. Blue pump.
Yep.
Red pump. Purple pump.
And this is the counterclockwise.
Yeah. And off.
And
interesting.
off.
There's no red counterclockwise.
Or purple counterclockwise.
Yeah. Alright. And there's some fan control for speed of the fan. Oh, listen to that. Listen to that. Can you hear that? This is low speed. Which still moves a pretty good amount of air. Now try this. Do you hear that?
I think so. I mean, I can hear it.
Yeah, can they? Can you? Low. Low might as well be off because I don't hear a damn thing. But now high.
Not bad.
Not bad, but and the feeling from it is just incredible. The wind coming out of it is pretty nice. It's got a nice blow to it.
Cool.
Now this, I don't feel too much wind coming out of this one, but I'm pretty damn sure that that's because it's going through this block first. So, all right, but let's check because we could have felt that.
Well, no, this is definitely blown.
No, I know that, but hold on, let's check. Let's turn on the light,
Okay.
make sure that we got the arrow going the right way. But it looks like so, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna shut it off. So at the end of the day, when you install your cooler, hold on. Good. At the end of the day, when you install your cooler, make sure your 2 arrows are pointing out or in. I've never heard of it being pointed in, but apparently at AMD, that's what the instructions say. I don't get that at all.
We pointed it out.
So alrighty, and that's about it.
But, you know, in terms of functionality, it works.
Yes. Actually, if you want, we can plug it up to a monitor. Shut off the camera.
Yeah, I think we're done.
Okay.
All right, another successful build. Yay!
Wow.
Like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And I'll see you next week.